Good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain active voice and passive voice, present tense, simple present, present continuous, and present perfect. How to change active voice to passive voice? We should follow our rule. First one is simple present. हमें एक्टिव वॉइस से पासिव वॉइस करूचे गडी मु काली सब रूल कहि सच्ची हमर फर्स्ट सिंपल प्रेजेंट रे जदि हमर वर्ब ता थिबो हम को रूल ता फॉलो करिबा सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस es प्लस s प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट हम ओटे एग्जांपल रे देखिबा आई स्पीक इंग्लिश तो आई स्पीक इंग्लिश इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर फर्स्ट हम देखिबा वर्ब ता को टेंस अछि हम से टेंस को लेके हम ऑब्जेक्ट द्वारा हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल लेके करिबा आई स्पीक इंग्लिश इन दिस सेंटेंस आई इज सब्जेक्ट स्पीक इज वर्ब इंग्लिश इज ऑब्जेक्ट सो हमें भी जानिला जे स्पीक ता हमर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस मतलब पासिव वॉइस चेंज करू तो हम ऑलरेडी कहि सारछि सब्जेक्ट कम ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट कम सब्जेक्ट प्लस So what is the object here? English. But the subject here? I. इनका passive voice करिबा फर्स्ट हम देखिबा ऑब्जेक्ट ता कोन अछि the object है English. So English is singular or plural? The object is singular. So हमरो रूल देखिबा ऑब्जेक्ट तो हम passive voice करूचे ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस is am are plus verb 3 plus by plus object. So object है English. English is spoken. What is the verb here? Speak. Speak is verb 1. Speak, spoke, spoken. हमरा verb 3 करना तो English is. The English by is बसला because English is singular. So English is spoken. हमरा रूल अछि verb 3 after by after subject. The spoken after by. What is the subject here? I. So I plus I का हम ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करसे त हम मी हो जाए सो आंसर इज इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन बाय मी नाउ क्लियर आई स्पीक इंग्लिश इज एक्टिव वॉइस व्हेन यू चेंज टू पैसिव वॉइस हम ऑब्जेक्ट आसला सब्जेक्ट प्लेस को सब्जेक्ट ता आई ऑलरेडी मी होइला त हम वर्ब 3 होला इंग्लिश में तो हम सिंगुलर अछि हम सिंगुलर पे इज बसिबा त हम आम बसि परबानी आर बस परबानी तो इंग्लिश में बसला इज Next comes second one. My mother advises me. The advises is verb. What is the object here? Me. What is the subject here? Mother. My mother advises me. Advises is present simple present tense because my mother is singular third person. So ameti es add kariba or s add kariba ki achi verb 1 plus es or s your advice advices मतलब passive voice चेंज करिबा what is the object here me so me plus रा हम subject को आसीबो हम me टा I ले दिबो so I after I is singular I पे हम only am use for I am टा only I पे use करा जाए ले तो I है I am then verb 3 what is the verb here advices so advised verb 3 is advised then by you have to write your by then a subject what is the subject here my mother so I am advised by my mother now clear this is rule of simple present tense subject plus verb 1 plus es or s plus object the passive voice rule is object plus is plus am plus are or is or am or are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Now clear? Present simple present tense. Now come present progressive or continuous. Subject plus is plus am plus are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. This is active voice. Already you know tense is present continuous because your am is present tense. Writing means it continuous because verb plus ing. I am writing a letter. In this sentence, what is the object here? A letter is object. What is the subject here? Is. What is the verb here? Writing. Writing is main verb. Am is helping verb. Helping verb always come before main verb. So am हमरा यूज करागला I में. तो I am writing a letter. हम तो passive voice को करिबा. The rule of passive voice object plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. I am writing a letter. What is the object here? A letter. So write here a letter. So a letter means singular or plural. Means only one letter. So write here a letter is. A letter is. So when you change to passive voice, you have to follow rule. Object plus is or am or are plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. So in this sentence, I am writing a letter. What is the object here? A letter. A letter means singular because only one letter. So write here is. Is also singular verb. A letter is. I mean the rule follow kariba. Is or am or are plus being. So write here being. A letter is being. Then verb 3. What is the verb here? Writing, write, wrote, written. Written is verb 3. So write here written. Then plus by. Write here by plus subject. What is the subject here? I. So subject amara object plus class I amara me hoijo. So answer is a letter is being written by me. Now come second sentence. They are playing cricket. What is the subject here? They. What is the verb here? Playing. What is the object here? Cricket. हम तो एक passive voice करूँचे. फर्स्ट हम लिखने object. What is the object here? Cricket. So cricket is singular. Cricket is being played by them. Cricket is object. After write here is. After you have to write here be. So played. Played means it. Play means it. Verb 1. Played. Played. Cricket is being played plus by. Then write is subject. What is the subject here? They. तो हम subject का object place को आसिबो हमें they बतरे them का लिखिबा. तो cricket is being played by them. Third one is she is writing a story. What is the object here? Story. A story. A story means singular. So write here is. A story is being. What is the verb here? Writing. Write, wrote, written. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Writing is the ing form. So write here written. A story is being written by. What is the subject here? She. मतलब she टाइप को object plus करूँगे तो हम जो टी for करेगा. A story is being written by her. Now here present progressive or continuous. The rule is subject plus is or am or are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. This is the rule of active voice. When you change to passive voice, object already you know. First one is subject. Then when you change into passive voice, subject become object place. Object plus is plus am plus are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. These are structures of present progressive or continuous. Now come third one, present perfect. What is the rule of present perfect? Subject plus has plus have plus verb 3 plus object. This is the rule of active voice. When you change to passive voice, object plus has been or have been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. So हमें structure जानिले हमें किसी example को clear होगा. I have tested the curry. मु अरे tense पढ़ी सकती मतलब perfect means has or have plus verb 3. So in this sentence, I have tasted the curry. What is the subject here? I. What is the verb here? Tasted. What is the object here? Curry. Passive voice rule है object plus has been plus had been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. So what is the object here? First मैं the sentence of first time में find out करना what is the verb, what is the object. What is the object here? Object is the third part. First the subject, second is the verb, third is the object. So what is the object here? The curry. I'm going to first time the curry लिख देगा. The curry is singular or plural? The curry is singular because the curry is uncountable noun. Curry is singular. हमर uncountable noun पकड़े हमर singular verb है. So singular means कौन लिखा है? Has. Has used for singular, have used for plural. But I पकड़े हम have बसेगा. The curry has been. हमें rule follow करिबा. Has been. हमर curry पे has बसला जेतो हमर singular अछि. The curry has been. Then verb 3. What is the verb here? Tasted. Taste, tasted, tasted. Already verb 3 अछि. Tasted. Our rule अनुसार I have tasted the curry. The curry has been tasted. Tasted by me. Tasted by me. हमरे I अछि subject. हमरे बैठी फर्स्ट अछि प्रोग्रेसिव रे I हमर ऑब्जेक्ट करूचे तो me असुची. ना क्लियर? The curry has been tasted by me. हमें active तो passive voice करूचे तब only been पे ऐड करूचे. verb 3 तो has और have only the been only हमें ऐड करूचे. Then comes second. Then they have invited me. In this sentence also present perfect. Have invited means verb 3 the present perfect. हम कौन करेंगे? I have been invited by them. हमर them का में बसला they went. They. I have been. I अगर have बसला तो been डालना according to rule हमें been बसेगा. Then invited verb 3 then plus by plus subject. What is the subject here? They. And subject they पे इट them बसेगा. I have been invited by them. Now clear already? I explained simple present tense how from active voice to passive voice. How to change? We have to follow some rules. We have to follow some structures. And then the present continuous also subject plus is or am plus or are plus verb plus ing plus object. First हमें सब पुराने passive voice करते तो हमें रूल को फॉलो करिए पड़िबो. आज simple present, present continuous and present perfect रो हमें सब जानले बस हम सब सेटा में क्लियर हो गेले. Next I will teach past tense. Thank you. I hope you learn well.